Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom plus maids townhouse in Elan cluster, Tilal Al Ghaf. This property is on the market for rent. As soon as you get into the door, on the right hand side you have a laundry. On the left you have your powder room, downstairs bathroom, and then a decent sized maid's room with a bathroom. We are entering now an open plan kitchen, very spacious, bright and modern, and also open plan living and dining area. It's a new property. You have also access to the outside garden from the living and dining area side. Now heading outside, you have a decent size outside garden, also landscaped. This is a single row property, so there's no villa backing onto you. Heading upstairs, you have 2 bedrooms on the right hand side. Entering the first upstairs bedroom, you have your first bedroom with built-in wardrobe and access to a balcony. The second bedroom, again a decent size. You then have a built-in desk, built-in wardrobe, and again access to the balcony. Beautiful community. It's single row. You open from the front as well. For this 2 bedrooms, you have a shared bathroom with a bathtub and a shower. Extra storage. And now entering a very spacious and large master bedroom. Amples of storage. Beautiful view with an ensuite bathroom. This is a brand new, beautiful looking property. If you do have any questions or want to book a viewing, please contact me on the details provided and we can book it in.